Hey, what's going on, guys? So I have some very exciting news I cannot wait to share with you. So if you guys don't know who I am, my name's Will. I trade on Robinhood, and Robinhood just introduced something so amazing, guys. So excited to share this with you guys. Let's get right into it. So they released this article that says news charts on Robinhood Web, now indicators and candlestick charts for stocks and cryptocurrency. So in this new update, Robinhood is introducing indicators. This means the RSI, the MACD, the EMA, the SMA. As you guys can see, news charts on Robinhood Web, indicators and candlestick charts for stocks and cryptocurrency. So excited, guys. It was already really cool when Robinhood introduced the candlestick charts, right? This helped investors to get a better understanding of how the prices moved and whatnot. And honestly, I just loved that they added that. Guys, they just introduced that they're going to be offering indicators such as the volume, the simple moving average, the SMA, the exponential moving average, which is the EMA, relative strength index, RSI, including another version of the RSI, which is the Wilder's Relative Strength Index, and then also the moving average convergence, divergence, which is the MACD. Now, this is what it's going to look like, guys. They have the price movements. They have all the indicators set up on there. It looks all around dope, and I cannot wait to view all these things that they're gonna offer. Guys, using these things is gonna be a huge advantage for the platform, so I cannot wait to get into it. And then also, guys, so one thing that Robinhood has really strived to do is make it simple for investors to invest. And that's something that I love about Robinhood. But one of the things that I am just so happy about is that they're introducing these indicators, because this is gonna make it better for those that are day trading. And I'm just excited to see where this goes. And I believe this is gonna bring tremendous opportunity for those that are striving to invest more prevalently and have more indicators when using the Robinhood app. Something that Robinhood has been kind of notorious for in the past is having a not so advanced platform, and all their indicators and whatnot aren't as advanced as other platforms that you may invest with. And that's just something that I've kind of adapted to and had to learn more fundamental analysis and kind of adapted my trading to doing that. And I still see Robinhood as a beginner platform, but I think that this is a good step for helping people get a taste of what technical analysis is. Understanding that the more information you get about a stock will improve your overall probability of profiting in the stock market is something that Robinhood obviously wants to help investors with and help people get more information and have more tools to identify a good deal. That's something that I really like about Robinhood in this new update. Hopefully we get some more content like this that they add. And I would love to see, some alerts where they add maybe customized alerts to a specific stock. There's some lacking things like a stock scanner, and then things such as the watch list, only having one watch list and not being able to maybe have a separated watch list where you can have specific stocks based on that criteria that you want them to meet, maybe like an ETF or a swing trading watch list or a day trading watch list, whatever it may be. But overall, this is a great update. And one of the biggest things, guys, I'm a huge fan of Robinhood. I can't get enough of what it is that they do. And I've been investing since 2015 using the Robinhood app specifically. And just this update in general is something I'm really excited about. I just think it's really cool. I can't wait to see what it's like. And I can't wait to get the most out of the Robinhood app with these new features. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If I earned your thumbs up, I'd be grateful for a like if that's something you could do, and subscribe down below. If you have any suggestions for future videos or any questions that you want to ask me, feel free to leave it down in the comment section and I can get to it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.